This extraordinary footage shows the precision and lethality of the Martlet missile, fired from the Wildcats of 815 Naval Air Squadron during their latest training exercise in the UK. The missile's been used on the front line for the past few years and continues to be tested on fast-moving targets on the water and in the air. The squadron are based at Royal Naval Air Station Yeovilton, with the crews always prepared to push the limits of what the Wildcats can do.
This is the Navy's maritime attack helicopter, the Wildcat HMA. It's been in service for around 10 years, initially brought into service as a maritime utility helicopter, offering us the capability to extend the maritime understanding for ships that we're operating from in a range of environments globally. It also provided us with the capability of conducting search and rescue, counter piracy, counter narcotics operations. However, with the introduction of the Martlet missile system and soon to be the heavier weight Sea Venom, it really has brought us our teeth, turning us into a true maritime attack helicopter. When paired with our very capable radar, which can see out to in excess of 100 nautical miles, our camera on the nose, which is fitted with a suite of lasers which control our Martlet missile system, and the range of further sensors that we've got dotted around the aircraft makes us a very capable attack platform, bringing lethality to the frigate and destroyer forces around the world. The weapons themselves are carried on weapon wings. They're attached to the aircraft following a modification just next to the doors. We can carry up to 20 missiles on those weapon wings for the Martlet variant, and up to 4 Sea Venom missiles. So clearly can carry a reasonably large payload for a relatively small helicopter, packing a significant punch for the Royal Navy.
The Martlet missile is released from the helicopter in 0.3 seconds and accelerates to 1.5 times the speed of sound towards a target. So how is that target found?
There's a small modification that's been made to the camera on the nose of the aircraft to add an additional laser, which is what the weapon uses to be targeted. In terms of how I'm targeting, I'm using my thumb on a joystick effectively to move the camera. That in turn moves the laser and therefore changes the positioning of the missile.
Due to its accuracy, it can be used against land, sea and air objectives. Since its operational introduction on the Wildcats in 2021, emphasis has shifted to small airborne threats such as drones.
It's a very versatile missile, being a laser beam rider, so wherever the laser's pointed, the missile will go, which makes it perfect for use against very small, fast-moving targets, jet skis, fast inshore attack craft, etc. But also, due to the nature of its laser beam riding characteristic, it can be used against air targets. So we've trialled it for use against small drones, conducting firings against those last year successfully. And it's a capability we're going to continue to develop this year and into next to make it a viable anti-air weapon system.
As well as the Martlet and Sea Venom missiles, the Wildcats can also be armed with an M3M cabin-mounted gun and Stingray torpedoes. In the ever-changing battle space, the ability to protect a warship from fast-moving targets is more crucial than ever. Bryony Williams, Forces News, Yeovilton. Thanks for watching. For more from Forces News, like and subscribe to our channel.